Hello, this is Rowan, and today I'm going to tell you a little secret. It's already on the title of this video probably, but this is a Diety V-Mic D. It's sold as a camera top USB pencil condenser mic, so it's meant to be used outdoors on your video camera, right? And so yeah, the internet secret police are probably gonna have me erased because this is like it seems to be the biggest secret since the kiss of the Spider Woman, and that was a while ago, by the way, kiddies. The secret is that if you see this giant picture here next to my head, you will see that the little beauty covers off the microphone's battery case, and the nice golden little string hanging down is the little pull string that's supposed to let you take the battery out, and you will note it's naked. There's no battery on top of it because there's no battery in the microphone. Yes, that is the big secret. The one that nobody seems to know anything about. I bought this microphone because I really wanted this mic. And I didn't care that the website didn't have jack about whether or not the battery was required. I bought it anyway because I'm that kind of impulsive person, honestly. But then I decided, hey, what if I don't want to have to replace a battery every frickin' 20 hours? Yeah, so I checked on the internet and nobody knows. Nobody knows. Even the people who are I wonder if you could do that, haven't even tried. Everybody seems to think this is solely for being used as an outdoor camera top microphone. It's not. It works pretty dang good in a studio, if you ask me. And considering my voice is generated and mangled and construed, the fact that you can even hear it means that it's a pretty good mic. Yeah, well, at least in my opinion. And so nobody on the internet knows this. Or if they do, they're not telling because they don't care or they don't really know. Oh, okay, so they do know. Never mind. The big deal is that you can do this. If you have a computer that is not, made in the same country that the Yugo was made, you can use this mic attached to a computer with a regular USB cable, and it will have power. That's the whole thing. That's the news. That's the critical bit. That's the headline that I buried in 15 minutes of garbage. Actually, this is probably only 3 minutes, but yeah, that's the critical bit, okay? If you think you want to get this mic, but you're like, oh, I don't want to waste the batteries, and I don't want to get a recharger, and oh my God, this is such a pain in the ass. Why doesn't anybody tell me anything? Well, Rowan is telling you, you can get this mic and plug it in and go for it, okay? Hopefully that helped. So, as usual, I hope you enjoyed wasting time with us today, and if you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you'd like to see us do anything in particular with anything in particular, please leave a message and, leave a comment, and we will do our best to make a video about that. Thank you, and have a nice day.